Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. Start off by taking a look at the most recent scan off of the radar here, in which we do see some reflectivity up to our north, some light showers passing by, and showers off to the west, all tied to a passing shortwave moving through the mid-Atlantic region as of current. Most of those showers do look to be dissipating by the time they reach the area, but a slight chance of seeing a possible light shower move through certainly exists. And as we move through and into the afternoon, we should see those rain chances diminishing and our overall conditions improving as far as cloud cover goes. Looking at the next 7 days or so ahead, we continue to see that high pressure that is off to our east continue to push offshore, and that will bring quiet conditions and some slightly above average temperatures that do look to persist into at least the middle of the week, with highs hovering around 70 degrees expected. And then as we move through Wednesday, we should see a cold front approaching from the northwest later in the day, and that's going to interact or have the ability to interact with some available moisture and some instability and bring the chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms, especially in the evening hours, possibly as a line moving through. Then by Thursday and Friday, we see some strong upper level ridging begin to develop, and that may keep the cold front largely off to the northwest and out of the immediate vicinity, and that would in turn lower our rain chances and allow for warmer temperatures as some of the models have been trending towards. And if we look towards the weekend, Easter weekend, Saturday looks to remain warm in the 70s with a possible cool down then beginning on Sunday. Both the GFS and the Euro suggest that we will see the ridge begin to weaken as low pressure begins strengthening over the northern plains and the Great Lakes. And as a result, we would then see a cold front approach the area and bring in some rain chances, increasing rain chances as we move through Easter Sunday. And taking a look at today's forecast, continuing on trend, maybe a little more cloud cover than anticipated. However, we're still seeing a couple areas of broken cloud cover, so not fully overcast yet. Looking to see some slight improvements as we move through the afternoon and the later hours of the working day. And winds should be increasing here shortly, with time gusting up towards and maybe just shy of wind advisory criteria, so a potentially breezy afternoon. And then we'll see those winds die down as we move into the overnight hours, and into tomorrow morning we'll start to see those winds once again on the increase. Temperatures today looking to climb to around 70 degrees, if not just below, and overall should remain dry with a very slight chance of seeing those showers push into the area as mentioned earlier. For the short-term outlook, do have some color on the board here, with Tuesday and Wednesday both presenting the chance of seeing a wind advisory. On Tuesday, looking to see partly to mostly cloudy conditions, breezy, and a high in the low to mid 70s. For Tuesday night, those winds should die down a bit and see partly cloudy conditions and a low around 60. And then Wednesday, similar to Tuesday, partly cloudy and slightly breezy and a high in the mid 70s. And that will bring us on to the 7-day forecast for the week ahead, in which we will see plenty of sunshine over the next few days up until Wednesday night, in which we see the chance of those some showers and thunderstorms passing through. And then we will see partly to mostly cloudy conditions with moderate temperatures slightly above average for this time of the year, persisting throughout the rest of the week until Sunday, and where we see the chance of rain and thunderstorms once again work their way into the forecast. That is going to conclude the 7-day outlook. We'll be back tomorrow at 8:15 with the daily weather operations brief, and hope everyone has a great rest of their day.